How to create block letters and put them in perspective. To create the block letters, the first thing you want to do is create a baseline and a top line. After I've created basically the height of my letter, I'm going to space it out to where I have two letters with a gap in between. Gap in between is about 1/4 inch. I'm going to do the letter M and then the letter T. When I do the M, I'm just doing it in basic stick lines just for now. I'll put volume in the lines in a little bit. Same thing here, just 2 stick lines. Now what I want to do is make these lines a little bit thicker. They're probably going to be about 1/4 inch in width. So I'm going to line it, make a vertical line, then determine how wide I want it, make another vertical line. And you can see how thick or how wide my line is for my M. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now, since I'm doing an M, I want to kind of get my center line for the middle part of the M. I want to try to get that near the center. So I'm just going to put a little bit of a mark down by the baseline that shows where the center is. And I'm going to use the outside line and draw a line down, outside line of my other vertical and draw down. And now I'm just going to make a parallel line. I'm just going to line it up with that line and then slide it and do the other side. Going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to line it up, slide it over, and draw the line down. That way we have a consistent thickness. Make sure that you do that you actually get on the line that you're going to repeat and then slide your ruler. That way you keep your lines consistent. Erase the lines in between, so now you have a nice solid block letter. I'm going to do the same thing with the T. The top of the T will be easy because I already have the top line already drawn, and now I'm going to do the vertical line or the stem of the T. And there we go. Now I'm going to put a vanishing point near the top. That was just basically how to do the block letters and then how to do them in perspective. You're just going to take each one of these corners and go up to the vanishing point. And this is good practice because you're going to be doing your full name shortly. You see I'm even going to do the outside edge or the inside edge and the middle of the T. Okay, now I want to make the, well, actually I'm going to come down here and see if there's any other lines that I need to take back to the vanishing point. In some cases there are, in other cases they're kind of blocked off because of where the vanishing point's located. I'm going to line up the top of my roller with the top of my 2 letters and slide it up, and this is going to give my depth to my letters. Draw the side of the T. Again, it's so close to the vanishing point, it might not even see that side. Erase some of my lines. Now I'm putting the angled part of the M in. Again, I want to line it up with the M and then slide it up until it reaches the top of the M. Did the same thing with the base of the T, and that was just a guesstimate. Going to clean up the top of my letters, and that's it. Have fun with it.